He's trying to get in the car. I think Steve went back home with Santa.
Oh my! It's a present! Oh, that's great. Hey, Mommy, maybe.
Train.
Hey, Mommy.
Train.
Mommy, maybe Steve helped Santa get. Maybe Santa ate that cookie.
Maybe he did. He left you a note.
Daddy, Santa ate that cookie.
Oh yeah? Did he drink that milk too?
Maybe.
What's that note say, Pumpkin?
It's this. Mommy, get away from me.
It says, Merry Christmas. Love, Santa.
I'm going to drive the wheel. Move faster and I'll drive the wheel. Hey, I'm looking at him.
Come here, bud. Look, Thatcher. Thatcher, look.
Hold on, you need to move the other stuff first, Stella.
We got Stella. You're going to have to move all this out of the way. Thatcher, look.
Look. How do you open this?
The door doesn't open.
But how do you push this? How do you get this to move?
Oh.
Look, baby. Stella, you got to move all the stuff in front of the car.
I can't.
What? Stella.
Move the switch back.
All right. Good. Move the switch again.
I think we have to turn this way.
I think you need to turn the wheel. You drive like your mama.
Oh, turn the wheel.
Gotta go backwards.
You got to turn the wheel.
Ciao, Casey.
Now turn the wheel.
What wheel?
Yeah. Hit the button. There you go. You're turning it.
Like, there you go.
All right. Now go.
Leave it up to the man to know how to drive.
Hey, we gotta go.
Casey, run. Casey, run.
Casey, watch out!
Casey, come here.
Casey, watch out!
Turn the wheel. You need to have two hands on the wheel.
But how am I going to turn this?
With your two hands.
Not
Turn
that
it.
wheel, silly.
This
The
wheel.
steering wheel.
There you go. Drive. Turn. There you go. Keep turning. Like that.
Can I go backwards?
Yeah.